Hello everybody, welcome to my wood channel. So the cryptocurrency in the past 5 days has been sideways out from $42,200 and now it's $38,000. But before that, Bitcoin had a huge run up from $29,400 up to $42,200. It went up 43.6% in 10 days, 10 consecutive days. So where Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency gonna go in the next few days or maybe the next few weeks? If you want to know, let's dive in the next few seconds, and don't forget to stay until at the end of the video because I'm gonna share with you one coin I think is gonna 5x, 10x, even 20x in the next bull run. Stay tuned. Before we dive in, if this is your first time on my channel, please click subscribe and the bell can below so we're gonna see and catch each other in the next videos. And if you see this video is useful and helpful and probably can help you to make some money, hopefully, then don't forget to like and share this video to other people, your friends. Alright, let's dive in. So Bitcoin right now at $37,900 at this moment is 1 a.m. Eastern time, and today is August 4th of 2021. So as you can see right now, Bitcoin went up from 29,000 to 42,000 is 43%. It's a big run up, and now of course nothing actually went up forever. Nothing goes up forever. Remember that. What comes up must go down. That's one of the key. So I can see right now we have a resistance right here at $42,500 and actually went up and hit it. You see it right here, a trend line resistance right here. And I think Bitcoin, according to the zone over here, Bitcoin I think is gonna go down to probably around $35,500 to $35,700 to make a what call is a higher low. Okay, so if Bitcoin wanna go uptrend, as we all been thinking, all the rumors been going around, so it has to create, this is how it's gonna go, so it has to create like higher low right here, and then it's gonna create a higher high. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. Okay, I'll show you in a quick moment. So it's gonna go like this. This is uptrend. You see this one? Go like this. So it create high and then a low, a higher low, and high high. It keep going like that. So it's showing us is uptrend. So in order to confirm, Bitcoin gonna go up and probably it's gonna break 42,000 is the key level. If we want to enter Bitcoin and positive about Bitcoin the next bull run, Bitcoin has to go down. To me, it has to go down to $35,500 to this level right here. As you can see, this is my zone right here. So I think it's gonna bounce. So this is where Bitcoin gonna go in the next maybe in the next few weeks. I see right here is the next few weeks. Okay, so Bitcoin gonna go down like this, and it's gonna probably bounce up right here because it's gonna be its moving average. This is moving average, 200 moving average. So most likely it's gonna reject. And right here, the previous time it actually was support, and now it's gonna be a resistance. So I think Bitcoin gonna go to 44,000 and then it's gonna get rejected and bounce to 40 to 41,000 level, and it's gonna break up. And you can see right here, this is a resistance. It's a trend line resistance. Okay, so if it break out of this resistance and it has to go back, and it's called back test. It has to back test at 40 to 41,000 level, and it's gonna go up. Okay, and the next level I think it's gonna go up is around roughly around 48 to 49,000 level before we actually seeing Bitcoin to the next bull run. So this Bitcoin. So what about Ethereum? This is actually before that. Let's dive in a little bit. What if this is just basically a trap? Okay, what if it's just a trap? So what happened if this is a trap and Bitcoin gonna go down and break below $35,000. So in the previous video about NVMe actually, so I talk about how Bitcoin in the past few years, you know, in history, Bitcoin usually based on the RSI right here. This is a weekly chart. Okay, so right here, as you can see, this is how I draw it. So the last time in December 10 on 2018, so Bitcoin dropped to the bottom at 3,000 and it went up, as you can see right here, it went up. And the same thing happened in 2020 because of pandemic COVID. So this is 2 times that Bitcoin, the RSI hit this 2 level, and it's our rock bottom right here. You see it? As you see right here, it's bottom. And Bitcoin after that took up to the moon. So the same thing. What if Bitcoin cannot hold around 35,000 key level? Where it's gonna go next? What I think is gonna go back to roughly around 28,600 to 30,000. That's been the key level, the key support for Bitcoin in the past 6 to 8 months. And you can see right here, Bitcoin drop right here, bounce, 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 bounce. So if Bitcoin cannot hold this level and go back down, so most likely is RSI gonna go back over here to hit the support line for RSI around 36,000. 36. RSI is 36. So Bitcoin most likely gonna go back to 30,000 to 28,000, $28,600 to 30,000, or probably it's gonna go up right here around 32,000. So the range Bitcoin gonna go back if it cannot hold $35,500. It's gonna go be around 28,000 to 32,000. But to me, percentage of Bitcoin going above 44,000 and break up of this trend line, a resistance trend line, is highly 70%, give or take. To me, it's gonna be around 70% that Bitcoin gonna go up to 44,000 and back down around 40, back test around 40,000 level, and then it's gonna go up to probably gonna previous previous support, which is right now act as resistance, is 48 to 49,000 level, and probably Bitcoin gonna take up to 65 all-time high, which is $65,000. So that's what my thought about Bitcoin. If you have any other thoughts, don't forget to leave a comment below. So we're gonna see, we're gonna discuss, you know, what a possibility that Bitcoin gonna go. So that's for Bitcoin. Okay, so let's dive Ethereum. Okay, so in here Ethereum, as you can see, it acts right here as a double bottom. Okay, I see a really good support right here at 17,000 level. Sorry, 1700 level. And Ethereum had been actually going in the channel for a while around 1900 right here and 2400. But recently, in the past few days, Ethereum actually broke up above this level, and actually I see some red candle right here. So most likely Ethereum, what I think might, for my own thought, I think it's gonna go back down to around 2300. So let's see some Fibonacci's. Okay, so let me see. I think Ethereum probably gonna go back down to, most likely I would say 2200. So the 2200, then RSI and the MA20, the 50 moving average and 200 moving average right here, and I can see it shows some dead cross. But if the price going down like this and the MACD help out, this is not MACD, it's RSI. RSI gonna curve down a little bit before it's gonna get some momentum and actually push up the price. So this is Bitcoin gonna go. This is how this Ethereum gonna go. I think it go back down right here, give or take, around 22 or 59, and then I think it's gonna go up like this. It's the same thing with Bitcoin. It's gonna go back up, back down, and gonna go up. It's gonna go back down to get some momentum, get some, you know, collect more energy before it actually bursts up to the next level. So the key level right here we're gonna see is probably Ethereum gonna go back down 2300 to 2200, give or take. And after that, I think the 200 moving average is gonna go up and support it at this one, at this level, 2250. And after that, the price of Ethereum gonna bounce up. That's my thought. How about Cardano? A lot of people been talking about Cardano, so let's dive in and see where the price of Cardano is gonna be. Okay, so in this chart, if you familiar with some technical analysis like some TA, so as I can see right here is show me if I go to probably weekly chart, it shows some concern to me, which is head and shoulder. If you familiar with some TA, head and shoulder is a pattern that show us some bearish side. However, I see in the past month Cardano actually create a double bottom as well. So if Bitcoin actually drive up, it can drive the whole market up. So Cardano, I think the next level Cardano gonna go is gonna go down around 1.29 to 1.25 to 1.29. That's the level of Cardano. So if you want to load some Cardano, you can actually, to me, you know, in my own opinion, okay, in my own opinion, Cardano gonna go down to around 1.25 to 1.27. This actually is reasonable price to entry. Okay, if you want to do that, you're more than welcome to do so. Okay, and after that, I think Cardano probably gonna go up to 1.43, which is the previous resistance. So I think that probably gonna be the key. So 1.43 to 1.46, that's gonna be the next level. So it's gonna be like this. I'll show you in a moment. So I think Cardano gonna go down like this, go up about this one, go down to this level, and go up to 1.63, go down a little bit, and potentially gonna go for 1.8. So if Cardano can do this, which is the same thing, a similar pattern with Ethereum and Bitcoin, so Cardano can actually can hit all-time high again, which is previous all-time high, which is $2.47. And if Bitcoin actually hit like $100,000 or $120,000, like everybody said on the internet, right? So Cardano can actually go up to, if we can say the percentage, which is Bitcoin right now, it's roughly 40,000. If 120, which is 3 times. So similar with Cardano, 1.3, 1.4, give or take. It can more than I think the potential is gonna go up to 4.5 to $5 in the near future. Okay, if you are a fan of Cardano, which is, you know, I think I am pretty positive of Cardano and potential of Cardano can do to the crypto community. I can help out the world with Cardano, because, you know, it's help. If you're familiar with the fundamental of Cardano and Ethereum, is similar with Ethereum, but it's way better right now, in my own opinion. Okay, so if you out there are a fan of Ethereum, so sorry, I think Cardano will be better in the near future. So don't take it personal. Okay, so beside Cardano, next one will be, I will be analyzing about Dogecoin. Dogecoin, a lot of people actually put a lot of money in Dogecoin. This is meme coin, and other YouTuber actually got from $100,000, and he made up to like over $1 million with Dogecoin. That's crazy. Okay, but that's in the past. Right now, Dogecoin, I think it lost momentum. So Dogecoin at right now, current price is 19 cent, or roughly 19 cent 20 cent. So if Dogecoin go down, just like other coin right now, like Cardano, Ethereum, or Bitcoin, so the next level, I think Dogecoin gonna go back down around 17.1775 okay dollar, which is around roughly 17 cent and 75. And after that, it's gonna go back up and hit. Let me show you real quick. So from here, you go back down right here. You give a take 17.7 right here, and I think it's gonna hit a MA 50 50 moving average, and you're gonna get rejected a little bit and go back down at this level again, resistance roughly around like 19 cent. And after that, it's gonna break up right here, and I think it's gonna go back to 26 cent in next month. In a month, I think Dogecoin gonna go back to 26 cent in a month, because if you pay attention about cryptocurrency in like seasonal, so usually Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency it go by month. So example, it usually spike up in March and April, and it cool down, it correction around like May, June, sometimes July, and then after that it gain back some momentum and spike up a little bit, get momentum like July, August, and September. It spike up maybe the end of September, and then cool down again in October and November, and after that it's gonna be a huge runch again in December and January, usually like that. So according to the seasonal chart like that, I think with my own experience in 4 to 5 year trading cryptocurrency, I think the crypto market gonna go back up and get more energy and momentum in the next month, in the next 4 to 5 weeks. And I will see probably Dogecoin gonna go back to 26 cents. So beside that, so Dogecoin, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and now let's go to Shiba Inu, one of the coin that you guys actually been pretty hype about this. So Shiba Inu, personally, I don't invest anything in Shiba Inu because this is just meme coin. It's not actually not fundamental. Doesn't give out any fundamental. It's just meme coin, just like Dogecoin. It was created by a joke. Okay, so if it correcting just like other coin right now, I think it's been sideways. Shiba Inu been sideways in this rectangle. Okay, been this rectangle for a while, from like around this 0.0 and 50889 to bottom is 0.50 and then 618. Okay, so it's been going in this, it's been sideways in this rectangle. So according to similar chart with like Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, I think it's gonna go down to around 0.0 and 5 number 0 until 0.0006. Okay, before it actually going back up. So this is gonna be, I think it's gonna go like this. Give a take right here and go back up here, right here, and get rejected by 50 moving average daily time frame, and go back down right here as 6 and go back up. Okay, this is where I think Shiba Inu gonna go. Now, I might be wrong because I'm not a saint, I'm not God, I don't know where cryptocurrency is gonna go. The thing is, I base on the technical analysis, I base on the number, the candle, and all the factors to conclude that actually this is gonna happen. But don't take my word for everything. Okay, if you want to do anything, you want to invest anything, please do your own due diligence, which is do the fundamental, learn a little bit Shiba Inu. Just don't take any word from other people on internet, on YouTube. Okay, so make sure to do this. So next one is gonna be the ICP. ICP, after 3 years of crowdfunding, when it went you know, on the market, wow, it went up to like $900. Okay, and now it's only $39. I'm really sorry for those of you who actually bought the top. Okay, I know it's not hot up there, it's pretty cold up there. So, and if anyone like thinking about, oh, because it went up so much, so right now it's only $39, it went down so much, is it possible that ICP gonna go back up to like $100, $200? Well, anything is possible nowadays. But according to the chart right now, I see that if you want to put money in ICP, first of all, it has to break up the moving average, 50 moving average daily. Okay, so in my own opinion, when do I want to enter a trade? For this one, like swing trade. So if ICP actually go back down right here and break up, because it's been rejected with the 50 moving average daily, and I don't see any like bullish side right now for ICP. So in order for me to enter a trade, I have to make sure it break up 50 moving average. Okay, so what I think ICP gonna go up like this one, like around $42 to $44, and go back down and back test. If it break above $48, then I will be more positive that ICP actually on a uptrend right now. And when it's uptrend, I'm more confident and percentage rate for a higher return gonna be higher. So I would enter heavier. If you actually back holder, a long-term investor on ICP, make sure you average down. If you want to invest more, if you want to invest more, make sure the price has to stay above $42 to $44 and put more money. Then put more money. If I were you, I would do that. Okay, but I might be wrong. Once again, I might be wrong. But this is possibility. Remember, in trading, nothing is guaranteed. It's not certainty. Everything in trading is possibilities. So the possibility of ICP gonna break up $42 to $44, what is the possibility? I think it's probably around maybe 50 to 60% is gonna do so, because it's gonna run just like other cryptocurrency. When the whole market goes up, this one is gonna go up as well. Okay, so but remember, there's one coin that personally I think is gonna 10x in the next bull run. It's Ripple. The reason why I think Ripple gonna 10x in the next bull run is because, first of all, it's been stuck in a lawsuit with SEC. But in the past few months, in fact actually 6 months, crypto had been having some small victories against the SEC. So percentage of Ripple gonna, you know, be good. Nobody no longer in any lawsuit. The percentage of that is pretty high. So I think Ripple, after that, Ripple price gonna pump up. And another factor that can cause, you know, another catalyst actually make Ripple 10x, which is the next bull run. Remember, Ripple all-time highs were $3.50. $3.50. But Ripple right now is only 71 cents. So if they are done with the lawsuit and they are clean. Everything is clear. Ripple gonna spike up, adding another catalyst, which is the next bull run. Remember, Ripple next bull run without any resistance above, which is the SEC, is gonna fly to the sky. Okay, it's gonna fly to the sky, or at least it can go back to all-time high, which is $3.5. Then what? 5x. But if Bitcoin hit, remember, if Bitcoin hit $100,000, which is 5x from the previous all-time high compared to 4 years ago, which is Bitcoin was 20,000, right? 5x, which is 100,000. So the last all-time high of Ripple is what? It's 3.5. 3.5 times 5. Is it gonna be $17.5? Is it more than 20x? We don't need that 20x. How about just 10x? Ripple will hit around $7 to $10 in the next bull run. I believe so. So, you know, if you think that reasonable, you want to welcome to load some, maybe just from fall, you know, some game like do some lottery, just probably put in a few $100 if you want to, or $5-10 bucks, something like that for fun. But if for me, I'm probably gonna put some heavy money right now. Actually, I'm gonna wait for Ripple actually go back down to around 67 cents to 65 to 67 cents, and then I will load heavy, a little bit more heavy in those area, because I believe Ripple in the next 6 to 12 months, Ripple will 10x. If you think like me, or if you can invest in some and then later on it went up 10x, you're more than welcome to come back and just thanks me. You know, this is, it's not, so whatever I say in this video is for entertainment purposes, you know, educational and entertainment purposes. Don't take my word for like as an investment advising. Okay, no, this is not. Just clarify with you, this is not. It's just me analyzing. It's a regular guy right here on YouTube with 4 or 5 year trading experience with cryptocurrency, also with the technical analysis. I think Ripple are gonna do that, and other cryptocurrency is gonna be like that. So if you like and enjoy this video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and the bell icon below, so we're gonna see each other in the next video. See ya.